Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to give a quick disclaimer. Always wash your unit right out of the box, out of the package, especially if it's curly. The water and the washing it and everything definitely helps to get those curls back to life. But as you can see from the title, I was in a rush, so this is how to get your hair ready in 20 minutes or less. I needed it the day prior, but it came the day after, which is fine. So you gotta work with what you got. Here, I'm just showing you what came in the box. It came with some earrings, which was nice. It also came with a wig cap. If you use that, I didn't use that, but that's just what came in the box. And this right here is the unit, straight out of the package. And I'm just giving you a quick 360 on it, just showing you how it looks from the front and the back, and the clips that is inside of it as well. And you can actually see that right there. It has a really nice wide parting space, which I love. That's amazing. And this is just me with the unit on my head. You can actually see what it looks like. So here, I just kind of wet it in the sink. Like, I didn't want to get the cap wet because I'm about to put it on my head right after I finish. Like I said, I was in a rush and I needed it. So I kind of wet it in the sink, and then I just took a spray bottle and wet it a little bit more. That way I wouldn't get the cap too wet, because you don't want it wet on your head. That is just unsanitary. This right here is some shine that I used. Mousse is curl defining and curl activating. So I'm just spraying a little bit of this all around the unit, and I'm just gonna work my fingers and work it into the unit. And I'm just gonna get it all over. So this is what it looks like after I get it. Right here, I was really just trying to get like a little bang going, but again, we're crunched for time. Didn't have enough time for it to set the way I wanted it to, so I just went ahead and put the unit on my head. And now I'm just gonna clean it up a bit, fix the baby hairs down. And again, this is just quick baby hairs. It's nothing extravagant. And then I'm gonna also put some mousse to the ends to make sure it doesn't look so poofy. And that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing throughout the rest of the videos, just making sure that it doesn't look too poofy, getting those curls popping, girl, trust me. And that's pretty much what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some concealer here in a moment and make it look more natural. If you don't have any concealer, that's fine, but you might want to get some, just put some there. Again, it helps it to look a little bit more natural. Off camera, I did wash the unit the day after this event, and I went ahead and styled it as well. I'm gonna add some photos towards the end on how that looked. So that's pretty much it, y'all. This is what it looked like. Full 360, and this is what I looked for the event. And these are what I was talking about, where I rewashed it and redid it. As you can see, the curls are a whole lot more popping. I redid the baby hairs and it looked awesome, guys. And up to this day, it still looks great. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.